Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how you can monetize your content using a keyword replacer. You can use ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate platform URL to replace specific words with hyperlink. Now to use Keyword Replacer, you should click on Keyword Replacer menu inside the plugin, and then click on Create New Keyword Replacer. Once you click, a form will appear in some fields. Inside the left section, you should provide keyword to replace, and then add a URL to hyperlink it to the keyword. Now in right section, select the WordPress category. And Stripe plugin will list all articles in that category. Select the articles where you want to remove the keywords with hyperlink. Click on Save Rule and you are done. Just visit any page which you selected while creating a rule. Your article now have the hyperlinks you set. Thank you.